Setting Goals Meditation. Hi, I'm Lisa, and welcome to the Setting Goals Meditation. Before we begin this practice, please make sure you have consulted your doctor and are fully able to participate in this meditation exercise. Let's begin. Let's begin on this meditation journey together. First, take notice of your breath and breathe in slowly. First, take notice of your breath and breathe in slowly, taking 3 deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale through the nose. Hold. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Hold. Exhale through the mouth. One more time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. As you breathe out, allow the thoughts of today to leave with your breath. And returning to the nice and easy natural pace of the breath, soften the skin on your forehead. Relax your shoulders down towards the ground, and as thoughts come to your mind, you may become distracted. That's okay. Just gently return to the sensations of the breath. See if you can notice anything new in between each inhale and exhale. Staying with the breath, staying still, allow yourself to become increasingly aware of the weight of gravity anchoring you in this moment. And as you feel anchored and centered, you set the intention to allow yourself to align with mental clarity and focus today. And with this clarity, feel yourself become more open, willing, and ready. Today is an opportunity to build the tomorrow you desire. You are filling yourself with positive energy, with positive emotions. And now let's think about the long-term goals that we want to achieve in the next 2 or 3 years of time. Take some time to think about this goal, or you can even set a new goal. Whether that's a personal or a professional goal, just bring it to mind. Whatever this goal may be, success is different for everyone. So whatever that goal looks like to you, bring it to mind. Let's start by visualizing ourselves achieving this goal. Really think about this goal. See all the details about this goal and what it looks like. Are there any people? Are there any objects? Think about the setting, the environment. Is there nature? Are there any particular sounds? Be as clear as possible. Just gently bring all the details to mind. As you have this vision in your mind, recognize any emotions that begin to surface as you bring up this image. Notice the feelings that may be holding you back. Any fear or uncertainty? Any lack of confidence or feeling overwhelmed by this goal. Rather than playing out the story of this fear or uncertainty in your head, instead, bring to mind the strongest version of yourself achieving success and accomplishing this goal. Imagine how you would walk and how you would stand. Imagine your posture. Imagine the expression on your face. Imagine the strongest and most confident version of yourself achieving this goal with ease, tackling each step along the way to achieve this goal with kindness, care, mindfulness, patience, and wisdom. Imagine how self-assured you would sound, the words you would use, the reaction of the people around you. If there are things that are difficult to imagine in this strong and If there are things that are difficult to imagine in this strong and confident version of yourself, imagine the most successful person you know, whether they are real or fictional. Take parts of them you find that make them appear confident and mirror that onto the most confident version of yourself. Notice the clothes they are wearing. Notice the way they talk and their mannerism. Notice their body language. What are the personality traits that they hold that you can apply to yourself? See if you can sink in just a little deeper into yourself and notice these traits within you. Allow yourself to feel strong, confident, disciplined, creative, and optimistic. And if at any point you experience doubt, return your mind back to the strong version of yourself. Use that image as an anchor when you begin to feel uncertain about your goals or have nervousness about your success. And in your breath, returning to your breath, you remember, I am improving myself on a daily basis. I have the power to change the direction of my life. I take care of myself with mindfulness and integrity. I am naturally confident and successful. I continue to grow because I believe in myself. I am courageous. I am healthy. I am strong. I am enough. I am happy. I am fulfilled. I am loved. Okay, now change your focus from inward to outward. You can breathe. Okay, now now change your focus from inward to outward. You can take some long inhales and exhales, gently moving your upper body. Gently move your upper body, shoulders, arms, head, and neck. Rub your hands together to create a tingling sensation and enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed.